In this video, we'll talk about fee receipt management and fee collection of fee setup module. Log in first into your BYDO account and go to fee setup. Then fee receipt management is showing here. Then go to fee receipt management. Here all receipt for fees showing here for class 6, that is ongoing or active, and that is fee receipt is cancelled. Now we are creating for fee receipt is here in add section, fee cycle, selecting quarterly fee. Attention is showing here the currently selected fee cycle is from April 1st to June 30th. For which class, receipt type, fee type. Now select class, selecting for LKG, fee head, enter academic fees, enter amount. Then we can add second row or cancel it from here, and also submit or live, or can do also save as draft. Then right now I'm submitting it. Now our fee receipt, that is 6th, is created here for class LKG. Now we can't edit or delete it, but we can cancel it. Currently it is ongoing or active. Then it is fee collection, that is process and record fee collection from students. Now click here. We can search receipt for students from here. Select student. I'm searching LKG class student by roll number. Prefix is LKG. WIP is select receipt for this student is showing here. Total payment is 1150, paid is 0, and pending amount is 1150, and that receipt is 6. Date of receipt 20/25/3/19, March 19th, and purpose of receipt is fees, payment period and April 30th, and status is pending. Total amount is 1150, and can view details, any concession amount, total amount, tax and final amount. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.